In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Freshsales with Facebook ads using Zapier, all in just a few minutes. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Zapier. Log in to your Zapier account or create one if you're new. Once you're inside the dashboard, click Create Zap to begin building your automation. First, set up the trigger. Choose Facebook ads as the trigger app, then select a trigger event like New Lead. This ensures that every time someone submits a lead through your Facebook ad, the automation starts. Zapier will then prompt you to connect your Facebook ads account. Simply follow the authorization steps so Zapier can access your ad lead data. Next, move on to the action step. Select Freshsales as the action app. Choose an action such as Create Lead or Create Contact depending on how you want new Facebook leads stored in your CRM. Connect your Freshsales account by completing the authentication process. After both apps are connected, you'll map the data. This is where you match Facebook lead fields like name, email, and phone number with the corresponding fields in Freshsales. Take a moment to review everything so your leads are saved correctly. Once mapping is done, run a test to confirm the Zap works properly. If the test is successful, turn the Zap on. From this point forward, every new lead from Facebook ads will automatically appear inside Freshsales. That's it. You've successfully connected Freshsales with Facebook ads and automated your lead flow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick automation guides.